Our previous challenges asked you to create music using objects from around the house or change the style of a song. Let's see what some of our viewers came up with.
And this is the song I created called Paradise, and it goes along with the tune Baby by Justin Bieber. I feel the breeze, I feel the sun, I feel that combo going, yeah, everything's just right, just wait a minute and you'll see it, go on a ride.
Hey everybody. This week's topic is going to be a serious one, but we're going to give you some creative ways to pull it off. Recently, our AFA dancers created a really cool video where they said thank you to all of our frontline workers who've been taking care of us and risking their lives during this pandemic to keep us safe. They did some choreography and passed a thank you note around from screen to screen, and you're going to check that out in just a second. After you watch the video, this week's challenge is for you to create a really neat way to say thank you to a frontline worker. There are lots of ways to do it, and you could maybe draw a picture, paint a picture, write a song, you could act out something, or even choreograph something like our dancers did. So as an example, let's check out what our dancers came up with. This week's challenge is to come up with a creative way to say thank you to a frontline worker using music, dance, art, theater, or a combination of those. Think of maybe creating a picture, writing a song, creating choreography like you saw in the video, or even creating out a scene where you can act out your thanks. Send us your creations to fcpsartsacademy.org. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom of this video, and follow us on Twitter at Arts Academy FCPS. That concludes today's episode, and we want to see what you've done. So send us your work by visiting our website and filling out the form and attaching your photo or video. Everybody who submits something to our form will be entered into a drawing to win $250 towards the arts-based lesson or workshop of your choice. We'd like to remind you to help our local artists in Frederick by going to the Frederick Arts Council's website, where they've set up a fund where you can donate directly to them to help them get through this crisis. Also, help out your fellow Marylanders by going to the website Governor Hogan has created, where there are many opportunities for you to assist those around you. Support our local businesses that are still open during this time by ordering takeout or gift cards to use at a later date. This has been brought to you by the Academy for the Fine Arts.
Whenever I feel blue, it helps me get right back up on my